Hello, wow, it's been a while for those who actually watch me. Wow, that's fun. Oh, yeah, anyway. Oh, jeez, here we go! I'm gonna go with this green guy here, which is one fun. Oh my god, bro, this guy's cracked. Well, as I said before, or I was trying to say before I was rudely interrupted, I find myself here again in the depths of hell, running from killers. Oh, Lord, no. Get back. I'm sorry! I'm sorry, I thought you was the monster! Oh my god, I feel so bad. Oh, I feel bad. Okay. Well, I've done some exploration in this game, and I actually now know how to get weapons, and that's tails, is it? Alright, so first of all, let's just shut this all. Let's just shut this so we have time to breathe. So yeah, I'll get some tails guards this area where you get the gun. Robot, and as you can see, he has the ability to jump scare you, and yeah, that never ends well. He can basically phase through walls to get you, and that is never fun. So what we got to do quickly here is jump down here, go around, just here, parkour pro, go here, and here we are. Yes! Right, oh, let me shut this door so I can do this on quick remote. If you don't know, these videos take a very, very long time to make, so please hit that subscribe button. Please, I'm desperate. And anyway, let's go fight some killers now. So we're gonna have this beautiful one out. And we're gonna go blasty, blasty, blasty. First of all, some beans, up there. Oh, I can hear you. Baha! Wow! Oh wow, it's always easy when you have that. Oh wow. We can zoom in and be like blasty, blasty, blasty. That's all. Oh yeah, I swear. In this game, every time you get a gun, the killers just run scared silly from you. Where's that Slenderman dude? I want to see that Slenderman. He's causing so much pain. I want to fuck the Chucky Tiny Bird. Charlie, I mean, not Chucky. Anyway, but hey, I saw you down there, boy. Don't you run? Yeah. Well, as you can see, alright. Alright, as you can see, now that the idiot has found the gun, blasty, 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 I think this is too much of easiness. That didn't make any sense. Anyway, we're gonna try something different. And by that, I mean this is the end of the video. Now, please subscribe or else this will be me. This is me.